Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that you guys can take tomorrow. And today we also going to discuss about expiry and like what the bank nifty range could be for tomorrow. Okay, and let's start with the bank nifty. We are in the 15 minutes time frame. So you guys can see here what the bank nifty did today is it opened gap down and it wasn't in this range for the whole day. So if you guys can see here properly, we can draw a trend line here. So if the bank nifty opens flat and closes the green, breaks this trend line, we can see the bank nifty touching this level, which is 37,350 range. Okay, so and if the bank nifty opens flat or little gap down, we can also see the bank nifty being in this range for tomorrow also. But if the bank nifty opens flat and tries to cross this level, wait, let me clear the chart properly for you guys. Cross this level, we can see the bank nifty in the range of 37,700 to 38,400. okay, so this will be range for us tomorrow if the bank nifty tries to go up, and if the bank nifty breaks this trend line and tries to come down, our range will be this, which is 38,100 and 37,300. okay, and that's all for the analysis of the bank nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. And the first stock is Bank of Baroda. So as you guys can see clearly here, the stock took support here and is trying for reversal by making a W pattern, and it has made a very good green candle over here. So you guys can go along here, having an SL below this candle, which is 78.20, and the minimum target for the stock will be 90. okay, and the next stock is Bank of India. I've also discussed about this bank day before yesterday in my video. You guys can check it out. And this stock is trying for a reversal from its demand zone, so you guys can go along here, having an SL below this candle, and the target for the stock will be 60.90. And the next stock will be Federal Bank. Even the Federal Bank, after significant fall, it is trying for a reversal by making a double pattern. So you guys can go along here, having an SL below this green candle or inside candle, which is 79.45, and the minimum target for the stock will be 85.95. And the next stock is Glenmark. Even the Glenmark tried for reversal, and now it is at its resistance. So this stock can go sideways for like 1 or 2 days, or it can also give a breakout here. So you guys be ready. You guys can go long in the stock, having a sell at 490.80, and the minimum target for the stock will be 535. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's see in the next video. Thank you so much.